F-150 trucks, Lincoln Aviators, and Mustang vehicles, among others. Ford is recalling more than 850,000 vehicles.
Ford CEO Jim Farley just dropped a major bombshell. A brand new 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 is coming to the 2026 F-150, and it's turning heads across the truck world. With 450 horsepower, 510 pound-feet of torque, and smarter, more efficient tech, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a warning shot to every rival. Could this be the beginning of the end for the classic V8? What makes this engine so different? And is the 2026 F-150 the smartest truck Ford has ever built? The Ford F-150 isn't just another truck, it's the truck. For decades, it's been the go-to choice for hard workers, off-roaders, weekend warriors, and pretty much anyone who needs muscle on four wheels. It dominated job sites, highways, and trails all across America. But now, in 2026, something major has changed. Under the leadership of Ford's CEO Jim Farley, the brand has taken a bold step to redefine what the F-150 stands for by starting right where it matters most, under the hood. This isn't just a refresh or a new trim package. Ford has completely re-engineered its 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, and the result is more than just an engine. It's a statement. With 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, it's got the muscle to keep up with, or even outshine, traditional V8s. But the real twist? It's smarter, lighter, and a lot more efficient. Why reinvent a bestseller? Because Ford knows the world is changing. Truck buyers aren't just looking for raw power anymore. They want intelligence, efficiency, and tech that works with them, not against them. Ford didn't want to play catch-up, they wanted to lead. And with this new V6, they're doing exactly that. Jim Farley made it clear. This isn't just about building a better truck, it's about building a smarter one. This new engine is packed with smart software, dynamic sensors, and a drive system that actually learns from how you drive. Whether you're towing, cruising, or hitting the back roads, the engine adapts on the fly, delivering power when you need it and saving fuel when you don't. The F-150 has always been known for being built Ford tough, but in 2026, that toughness now includes brains, efficiency, and adaptability. This new V6 isn't trying to replace the truck's legacy, it's rewriting it for the future. And here's the thing, this is only the beginning. Because what this engine kicks off is much bigger than just numbers. In the next chapter, we'll break down exactly how this new V6 works, what's inside it, and why it might just be the smartest engine Ford has ever made. So, what's all the hype really about? Let's get under the hood and meet the heart of the 2026 Ford F-150, the brand new 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6. And trust us, this isn't just a slightly tweaked version of the old one. This is a ground-up redesign that's got truck fans and rivals paying attention. Under Jim Farley's leadership, Ford engineers were given one goal: build a V6 that could match or even beat the performance of older V8s without sacrificing fuel efficiency or drivability. And that's exactly what they've done. This new EcoBoost V6 cranks out a jaw-dropping 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. That means quicker acceleration, smoother towing, and more punch off the line, all with fewer cylinders. Whether you're pulling a trailer up a steep hill or merging onto the motorway with a full load in the back, this engine handles it all with ease. But here's the twist, it's not just about power anymore. What makes this V6 stand out is how it thinks. It's been loaded with new software and sensors that constantly monitor your throttle input, load weight, road conditions, even the weather. And in real time, it makes adjustments, boosting when you need speed, backing off when you're cruising, to keep things running smoothly and efficiently. Turbo lag, practically gone. Fuel waste, sharply reduced. And it all happens without the driver needing to touch a thing. You've also got better heat management, reworked turbocharger geometry, high-pressure fuel injection, and even variable camshaft timing, all coming together to make sure this engine performs exactly the way you need it to, no matter what the road throws at you. And here's something longtime truck owners will love. It's still got that rugged, ready-for-anything attitude the F-150 is famous for. But now, it's paired with cutting-edge tech that makes it not only more powerful, but also easier to live with day to day. Ford didn't just want to make a fast engine. They wanted one that was smart, reliable, and adaptable. One that responds to modern drivers in a modern world. And honestly, with everything packed into this new 3.5-liter EcoBoost, they've knocked it out of the park. But we're just getting started. In the next chapter, we're diving into the brains behind this beast, Ford's brand new smart engine management system, and how it turns this V6 into a true thinking machine on wheels. Here's where things get really clever. It's one thing to build a powerful engine, it's another to make it smart. And with the 2026 Ford F-150's all-new 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, Ford has done just that. Under the direction of CEO Jim Farley, Ford's engineers didn't just rework pistons and pipes, they reprogrammed the way the engine thinks. At the center of it all is Ford's all-new Smart Drive engine management system. Think of it as the brain behind the muscle. This isn't your average ECU, it's a network of high-speed processors and algorithms working in the background to study your driving habits, weather conditions, road gradients, throttle pressure, you name it, and make real-time decisions that improve both performance and efficiency. Imagine this. You're towing a heavy trailer up a steep mountain road. Instantly, the system senses the load, adjusts the turbo boost, tweaks the air-fuel mix, and delivers more torque exactly when you need it. Or you're cruising on a flat highway with no cargo. The brain dials things back, easing fuel consumption to save you money. And it all happens faster than a blink, without you lifting a finger. This kind of adaptive response gives the F-150 an edge that feels almost futuristic. You're not just driving a truck, you're piloting a smart machine that learns and evolves with every mile. What's more, this system doesn't just react, it remembers. The longer you drive, the more it adapts to your style. Aggressive driver, it'll stay responsive and punchy. Prefer a smooth, calm ride, it'll adjust throttle response and shifting patterns to match your flow. And don't forget safety and control. The system also plays a role in managing traction and power delivery when the road gets slippery or uneven, whether it's rain, mud, snow, or sand. The F-150's V6 and its digital brain work together to keep you planted and confident. Jim Farley made it clear, the future of Ford trucks isn't just about brute strength, it's about brains too. And this new EcoBoost V6 is proof of that promise. Next up, we'll explore how all this power and intelligence doesn't come at the cost of fuel. In fact, Ford's made sure this engine is more efficient than ever. Stick around, because what they've done with fuel economy might just surprise you. Let's face it, power means nothing if it guzzles fuel like there's no tomorrow. That's why the most impressive part of Ford's all-new 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 in the 2026 F-150 might not be the raw horsepower, but the fact that it does more while using less. And this isn't a small tweak, it's a full-on engineering leap driven by Ford's bold vision under CEO Jim Farley. Here's the magic. Ford's engineers have managed to squeeze out up to 15% more fuel efficiency compared to the previous V6 model. That's a huge deal, especially when gas prices are as unpredictable as the weather. And no, this doesn't come with the usual trade-off of feeling sluggish or stripped down. You're still getting the same gutsy 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, but now it sips fuel instead of chugging it. So how did Ford pull this off? It's all about next-gen engineering. We're talking high-pressure direct injection, which fine-tunes how fuel enters the combustion chamber. Then there's the advanced thermal management system, which keeps heat exactly where it needs to be, cutting down on energy waste. Add to that a lightweight design, smarter turbo geometry, and variable cam timing, and you've got a setup that works harder and smarter. This means fewer stops at the gas station, even when you're towing a boat, hauling tools, or just heading out for a weekend adventure. It's also better for the environment, reducing emissions without compromising performance. That's the kind of balance most truck owners only dream about. And here's the thing, Ford knows today's drivers want power and responsibility. Jim Farley's push towards smarter, cleaner engines isn't just about catching up, it's about leading the pack. With this new V6, they're proving you don't have to choose between muscle and mileage anymore. And this engine isn't one size fits all either. In the next chapter, we'll talk about how the new EcoBoost is made to fit you, with custom tuning, drive modes, and options that let your truck evolve with your lifestyle. Let's be honest, no two truck owners are the same. Some are hauling equipment across job sites, others are out chasing dirt trails on weekends, and plenty Just want a smooth ride that handles everyday life without breaking a sweat. That's exactly why Ford, under CEO Jim Farley's leadership, made customization a top priority for the new 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 in the 2026 F-150. This isn't just an engine you drive, it's an engine that drives the way you want. The 2026 F-150 now comes packed with multiple drive modes that actually make a difference. Whether you're towing a heavy trailer, cruising on the highway, hitting rocky terrain, or stuck in snow, there's a mode for it. Each one tweaks the engine response, transmission, steering feel, and even suspension settings in real time, so your truck feels purpose-built for every situation. Want tighter throttle control for off-roading? There's a setting for that. Need to keep the power smooth and steady for towing? It's built right in. And if you're all about efficiency, there's a mode that helps you squeeze every last mile out of your tank. But here's where it gets even cooler: aftermarket tuning support. Ford knows a lot of truck owners love to tweak and tune, so they've made the EcoBoost engine modular and friendly for upgrades. Whether it's through Ford's own performance division or trusted third-party tuners, you'll have safe and supported ways to unlock even more power, torque, or efficiency, all without voiding your warranty. It's like getting a truck that evolves with you. One day it's a heavy-duty hauler, the next it's your weekend escape machine. And when you're ready to switch things up, the F-150 is ready too. Jim Farley's team didn't just build another engine, they built a platform for truck lovers who want control. It's flexibility without compromise. And it's what sets this new V6 apart from the crowd. Coming up next, we'll take a step back in time to reveal the surprising engineering breakthrough that made this entire engine possible, and why it's such a game changer for the future of Ford. One of the biggest reasons the F-150 continues to dominate? It's all about choice. Ford knows their truck buyers aren't all cut from the same cloth, and under the leadership of CEO Jim Farley, they've doubled down on that with the 2026 lineup. And at the heart of this year's big update, the all-new 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6. This engine isn't stuck in just one trim, it's spread across multiple options, giving buyers real flexibility. Whether you go for the rugged XLT, the refined Lariat, or the upscale King Ranch and Platinum, this high-performance V6 is right there waiting. You're no longer stuck choosing between power and comfort. Now, you can have both in the same truck. And let's not forget the special editions. While Ford hasn't officially confirmed it yet, there's a lot of buzz that this new V6 might soon show up in the Tremor, or even a lighter version of the Raptor, bringing serious muscle to those who love off-roading without jumping straight to a V8. But it's not just about the V6. The 2026 F-150 offers a full spread of powertrains to fit every kind of driver, from the reliable 2.7-liter EcoBoost for casual users, to the classic 5.0-liter V8 for purists, to the supercharged V8 in the Raptor R for thrill seekers. And yes, there's a hybrid option too. Ford even continues to push electric boundaries with the Lightning EV model, building on a future where trucks are tough and smart. What really stands out though is how versatile the new F-150 is. Need a short bed for weekend runs? Done. A long cab for the job site? Sorted. Ford has kept multiple bed lengths, cab configurations, and wheel setups, so you can build the truck that fits your lifestyle, not the other way around. With the new V6 at the center of it all, Jim Farley and the Ford team have turned the 2026 F-150 into something more than just a truck. It's a whole ecosystem of power, comfort, and tech, all built to work around you. Next up, we're digging into the surprising science and engineering behind this V6, and how a single breakthrough helped Ford reshape everything under the hood. Let's face it, trucks aren't just for job sites anymore. People want power, sure, but they also want a ride that's smooth, quiet, and packed with the kind of comfort you'd expect from a luxury SUV. That's exactly the vibe Ford went for with the 2026 F-150, and with the all-new 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 leading the charge. This truck now feels just as good to drive as it does to work in. From the second you sit behind the wheel, it's clear Ford's been listening. Under CEO Jim Farley's watch, the brand has made serious strides in cabin design, and not just with materials or tech, but with how the whole truck responds to you. The new V6 doesn't just deliver raw numbers, it's smooth, quiet, and well-behaved, even under load. When paired with Ford's finely tuned 10-speed automatic transmission, gear shifts feel seamless, and throttle response is crisp without being jumpy. Whether you're merging onto the motorway or crawling through traffic, the power comes in exactly when you need it. No more jerky surges or laggy delays. Inside the cabin, you'll notice how quiet it is. Ford improved the noise insulation, tuned the engine for a calmer idle, and designed everything from the floor mats to the headliner to keep things hushed. It's the kind of truck where you can have a proper conversation without yelling, even with a trailer hitched on the back. And then there's the tech. With upgraded sync infotainment, hands-free Blue Cruise support, and smart climate control, the new F-150 isn't just responsive, it feels intuitive. It's like your truck already knows what kind of drive you're planning before you even leave the driveway. But perhaps the best part is how confident you feel behind the wheel. That new V6 engine doesn't just power the truck, it transforms it. Whether you're towing a heavy load, driving through a storm, or simply navigating city streets, the 2026 F-150 stays composed, balanced, and in command. Jim Farley's team didn't just engineer a great powertrain, they made sure it supports a driving experience that feels easy, effortless, and refined. It's no longer about just getting from A to B, it's about enjoying the ride, every time. And coming up next, we dive into the spark that started it all, the breakthrough in engine tech that allowed Ford to completely rethink what this V6 could be. Now let's zoom out for a second, because while the new 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 is impressive on its own, it's actually part of something much bigger, Ford's long-term vision for smarter, greener, and more sustainable vehicles. And at the center of this shift is none other than Ford CEO Jim Farley, who's been pushing the company hard toward innovation that doesn't just add horsepower, but also reduces the impact on the planet. What's unique about the 2026 F-150 is that it blends that old-school truck power with a new-school environmental mindset. The re-engineered V6 might not be fully electric, but it's way more efficient than its predecessors. Thanks to a combination of better combustion, lighter materials, and clever thermal management, this engine delivers more while using less. It's proof that internal combustion can still evolve and still matter in a world going electric. But Ford's not stopping there. Under Farley's leadership, the company is investing billions into EV development, battery recycling, and green manufacturing. In fact, the very same R&D teams that refined this V6 are also working on next-gen electric trucks that'll share platforms and innovations across the board. So when you're driving a 2026 F-150 with the new V6, you're actually getting the benefits of future-focused engineering today. Even the materials used inside the truck reflect this bigger picture. Recycled plastics, eco-friendly textiles, and energy-efficient production methods are now baked into Ford's truck building process. It's not just about reducing emissions while driving, but also about cutting the environmental footprint before the truck ever hits the road. And here's the real takeaway. Ford isn't choosing between performance and sustainability. They're building both into every vehicle. Whether you're behind the wheel of a gas-powered V6, a hybrid, or the next F-150 Lightning EV, the goal is the same. More power, less waste, and smarter design at every level. And with Jim Farley steering the ship, Ford isn't just adapting to the future, it's aiming to define it. Next up, we'll break down what all of this means for your actual experience behind the wheel, and how the 2026 F-150 is more than just another truck. It's a new way to move. So, here's the bottom line. Ford didn't just upgrade the F-150, they redefined it. The launch of the all-new 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine for the 2026 Ford F-150 isn't just about performance specs or fuel numbers. It's a bold statement, one that says the future of trucks isn't just electric or hybrid. It's smart, adaptable, efficient, and still incredibly powerful. Under the leadership of CEO Jim Farley, Ford is proving that you can build a tough, capable pickup without sacrificing refinement, tech, or sustainability. This new V6 engine delivers serious torque, sharper throttle response, smarter engine management, and better fuel economy, all in one package. And more importantly, it gives drivers a truck that doesn't just work hard, but thinks hard too. Whether you're towing on the job site, heading out on an adventure, or just looking for a daily driver that doesn't feel like a compromise, the 2026 F-150 with the new EcoBoost V6 is more than ready.